Welcome to Money Top Videos. Passive income. Make money while you sleep. In today's fast-paced world, where the quest for financial independence and a balanced lifestyle is paramount, passive income emerges as a beacon of financial security and freedom. Unlike active income that demands constant attention and effort, passive income allows individuals to generate revenue even while they sleep, providing the opportunity to pursue personal interests and activities without the burden of continuous work. Let's delve into why passive income matters and explore various avenues to start earning it. Why it matters. Passive income holds significant importance in modern life due to its ability to grant financial independence, reduce reliance on a single income stream, and afford individuals the luxury of time to focus on personal passions and endeavors. Financial independence. Passive income serves as a reliable source of sustainable earnings, offering individuals the freedom to pursue their desired lifestyle without being tied down by financial constraints. Financial diversification. Diversifying income sources through passive means mitigates the risk associated with relying solely on active income, providing a safeguard against financial instability. Time freedom. By generating income passively, individuals can reclaim precious time that would otherwise be consumed by work, allowing for a more balanced and fulfilling lifestyle. Exploring passive income avenues. The realm of passive income encompasses a multitude of opportunities both online and in real life, including online passive drop shipping. Operate an online store without the hassle of inventory management by leveraging drop shipping services. Affiliate marketing. Earn commissions by promoting products or services through various online platforms. Online courses. Share expertise and knowledge by creating and selling digital courses on specialized subjects. Stock and digital real estate. Invest in stocks or online properties to generate dividends or profits. Print on demand. Design and sell custom printed merchandise without the need for inventory storage. Passive income in real life. Rent out properties. Generate income through property rentals, providing a steady stream of passive earnings. Car rentals. Rent out vehicles to individuals through peer-to-peer platforms, offering an additional source of income with minimal effort. Hands-off businesses. Establish businesses that can be managed remotely or with minimal involvement, allowing for passive income generation. Traditional stock investing. Invest in established companies to receive dividends and capital appreciation over time. Intellectual property rights. Earn royalties from creative works such as books, music, or patents. Embarking on your passive income journey. Start your passive income endeavors. Follow these practical steps. Set goals. Define clear objectives and aspirations for your passive income venture, outlining the desired financial outcomes and lifestyle changes. Research. Explore various passive income opportunities, leveraging online resources and educational materials to gain insights into different income streams. Start small. Begin your passive income journey with manageable projects or investments, allowing for gradual growth and learning along the way. Diversify. As you gain experience and confidence, diversify your passive income portfolio by exploring different avenues and spreading risk across multiple sources of income. In summary, passive income offers a way to achieve financial freedom and a more fulfilling lifestyle. It frees us from the limitations of traditional income sources, allowing us to pursue our interests without constant work. Whether through online ventures or real-world opportunities, the options for passive income are varied. The benefits include financial independence, risk reduction, and more time for personal pursuits. As we embark on this journey, it's important to set goals, research thoroughly, start small, and diversify over time. Embracing passive income can lead to a future filled with freedom and fulfillment. Hit the subscribe button to watch all our incoming videos.